Here's a simple demonstration of setting up virtual machines, which behave like a full separate computer and allow you to run and install different types of operating systems on your device. So there are different types of virtual machine software. For example, we have VirtualBox, Parallels Desktop, VMware Fusion, and VMware Player. But the steps to set up a virtual machine is the same for all software, but as an example, we'll use VirtualBox. So to start things off, we select New, and then we select the type of operating system along with its version. For example, we have Linux with Ubuntu 64-bit, but you can choose 32-bit, or Windows or Mac OS. And then you name your virtual machine and click Next. So you can allocate the specific type of RAM for that virtual machine. For example, we have 2048 megabytes, and the recommended is 1024 megabytes. And for the hard disk, you can create a virtual hard disk if you want a fresh master image with no existing files or apps on it. But if you already have a master image that you want to move to that virtual machine, you can select use an existing virtual hard disk file and then click create. Now for the storage on a physical hard disk, you can choose dynamically allocated or fixed size. Dynamically allocated will allow you the size, the memory of the physical hard disk to fill up until it reaches a maximum fixed size. But for a fixed size that you can select, it will take longer to create on some systems, but is often faster to use. And then you can just select next. Now for the file location and size, you can just select where you want to locate the file within your computer, and then you select the size of the virtual hard disk, and for the virtual machine, the only limit to it is the size, the memory size that you allocate for it on your computer. And then all that's left to do is select your virtual machine and click start, and your virtual machine will be up and running.